Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how can you download Among Us for free in the PC. So if you go to the Microsoft Store, and after that type for Among Us, you can see it $4 right now. So but you don't need to just buy it. You can download it for free. So to do that, you need to install Memo in your computer. So I have already installed Memo in my computer, but I didn't still make a video on how can you download Memo. So I'll try to make it as soon as possible. Okay, so after that you need to go to Play Store in Memo. So also you can use BlueStack, but I like to use Memo, so I'm using Memo. And after that, go to Play Store and type for Among Us. Okay. After that, you can see Among Us. So I'm going to click install. Okay, so it's installed. After that, I'm going to open it. So in Memo, it automatically gives a key mapping to play from the keyboard, but you can change it right from here. Okay, so no need to key map. Okay, so you can see to complete installation Among Us must accept download additional content. Please press accept to continue. So I'm going to accept it. You can see some man is going from here. Zombies on any poster. Okay, so after that, click I understand. So they're asking for my date of birth, so I'm just going to give it like I'm going to give 2000. Okay, so next we need to get a sign in option. So after that you need to press V6. After that, click continue. So you can change the name, so I don't like this and I'm going to change it as confirm. Okay, so next to play it online, so you can use even this code, but I don't like this code, so I'm just going to make one here. Okay, so go to find game and your friends. Play a game. I'm going to join. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So if you learn something new, hit the subscribe button and also the like button and comment for more videos. So then until next time, goodbye.